Hello again. Hey, guess what? This is Bill. This is my cooking show, and I'm going to backtrack and finish up a project that I started a while back. I don't know if I'm sure you've all seen my videos on pinwheels, and I've got one more I want to throw into the whole mix, just because I think it's really easy, and it kind of brought out some, things that other people had mentioned to me. So I figured, hey, this is as good a time as any. Let's make something really easy, fun, and make your kids go, wow. All right. So first I've got cream cheese, and this is room temperature. I'm going to make sure, yeah, that we're good. And this is, I'm going to do a couple, not a whole lot. This is 4 ounces, or half a block of cream cheese. And I said because you want to use the block stuff, the soft or whipped stuff. It's just too soft. You want this stuff to really set up again, because we're going to dilute it. We've mixed all sorts of things in here, like my Italian dressing, Thousand Island, all that kind of stuff. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some horseradish. I love horseradish. There's nothing better than like shrimp cocktail. When I go to restaurants, believe it or not, like some places I like to get like peel and eat shrimp. I actually bring my own cocktail sauce because I want some horseradish. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of work it around in here and squeeze out some of that liquid. I don't want all the juice. I just want the stuff, man. So I'm going to try and get one more little clump in here. And I do the same thing when I'm making cocktail sauce. I squeeze out the excess liquid. That's why a fork works really, really well for that. Did you see how easy that was? Yeah. Easy. Easy peasy. So let's get this mixed up. And so we didn't change the consistency a whole lot, just because we did get that juice out, so that was good. Did a good job. Okay, looks most excellent. Got a trusty knife. And you can soften cream cheese up in the microwave, but to be perfectly honest, a little bit of planning, get it to room temperature by on its own, it just seems to work out better. All right. So let's get started. We've got the good stuff already put together. So I got a nice big huge burrito shell with a hole in it. Oh, one with a tear. Quality control at the factory must be down today. And they're having issues. Well, I can use that. Alright, so I got this great big huge surface. What I'm going to do, well, first, let's get this, and we're going to want to kind of get it up to the edge here. Don't go too crazy. It's a nice layer. Tastes great. Next step, I've got some roast beef, really good stuff. I just want to get enough on here because remember we're going to roll that whole thing up. So we don't want to get too thick, we just want to get it in all the rolls. It's probably enough, but I have this little piece left, so what the heck. Okay. So what else I got? Well, I want to put some onion on here. And you can, just pull the onion apart. I just got little slices here if you want, much or as little as you want. And that's probably a good start. I don't really want to kill it. And I love banana peppers in this because they kind of hold their crunch. That's why I don't like putting lettuce or any of that stuff in there. I know that some places are using like a coleslaw kind of cabbage thing because it'll keep its crunch for a day or two. But even at that, it kind of starts to break down and not be great. Okay, that looks pretty. Then I got some cheese here. Just cut up some Swiss cheese. It's real Swiss. Got the holes in it. This is fine aged Swiss cheese, whatever that means. And we're just gonna check this. Looks great, right? So remember, what we're going to do, we're going to start the edge here. Start off with this little teeny. Remember, it's going to start pushing everything out, so sometimes it just hangs out a little bit. Doesn't look great? Wasn't that easy? So really what you want to do, set aside here for a second so I can show you. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this piece of plastic here, plastic wrap, really press down and sealed up, and we're going to get this in the refrigerator. The importance of this is we want to get everything kind of set back up again. We want to get that cream cheese to cool down. We want to get everything kind of to gel together. So when we slice it, it's going to look really pretty and be nice clean slices. So I'm going to get this in the refrigerator. I want you to try this. Come up with any combination you want. I'd stick away from mayonnaise-based things. Like I know someone's like, oh, I tried it with like tuna fish. Your tuna, the liquid in the tuna fish salad is going to leak out and soften up the tortilla shell. In the refrigerator, it's good for like 3 or 4 days. I like to slice them up and throw them on a paper plate, so when you're at work, you can just pick them up and feed yourself, and great. Like I said, I want you to tell me what you would put in it. I want you to, of course, subscribe. I've had a couple extra subscriptions recently. I appreciate that. I want you to ring the notification bell so you see every time I post something new. And more than anything, let's have fun. The holidays are coming up. Now's the time to really get everyone involved. Kids are out of school. Make sure you get them in the kitchen and occupy their time a little bit and teach them something new that they will always remember, trust me. So have a great day and we'll see you back.